Find the incorrect statement. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Question. 1. Whales and dolphins breathe through gills as they are aquatic animals. 2. Warm-blooded animals have the same temperature inside their body all the time. 3. Elephants can trick their enemies by camouflaging. 4. Parasites feed on the flesh of dead animals. Answer options: A1 and 3. B2, 3 and 4. C1, 3 and 4. D1, 2 and 3. Option 1. Whales and dolphins breathe through gills as they are aquatic animals is wrong, as whales and dolphins breathe through lungs and they don't have gills. Option 2. Warm-blooded animals have the same temperature inside their body all the time is correct answer. Option 3. Elephants can trick their enemies by camouflaging is wrong. Camouflaging means animals that blend with the surrounding. Option 4. Parasites feed on the flesh of dead animals is wrong. A parasite is an organism that lives within or on a host. Answer. Option 2 is correct. Option 1, 3 and 4 are incorrect. Answer. C1, 3 and 4. Thank you for watching this video. Visit us at Facebook group, Iteach.